Hi, this is Kaisar from Rank Ninja. In the last video, I show you how to track add to cart event through server-side tracking. And today I will show you how to track begin checkout event from server side. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It really inspires me a lot to create more useful video for you. Also, if you face any issue with e-commerce tracking or digital marketing, Google PPC campaign, or any other e-commerce service, then you may contact with me. You will find my contact details below in the video. So let's come back to browser side tag manager and create a new tag. Tag name should be CA4 SS FD pixel begin checkout tag, and it will be GA4 Google Analytics event, and the measurement ID is GA4 demo tag ID, and the event name is begin checkout. You have to be careful while copy and paste this. If mismatch, it will not work. Now it's time to create variable. So click add parameter, event ID, content type, content name, content IDs, value, currency. These all the mandatory parameter asked by Facebook to track properly. So now begin checkout may contain more than one product. So here we see in browser side tracking, we used custom JavaScript variable for extracting each item separately. So first the value is event ID, then content type is product, content name is CJS, product name, content ID CJS, product ID, value TLV, purchase value this time, and currency TLV currency. And the trigger should be begin checkout trigger and event name begin checkout. Everything is looking very fine. Now publish the changes. Now test it. So add another item and now click checkout. So the begin checkout tag has been fired. Let's see. Initiate checkout from browser has already appeared, and from server side it will also appear within few seconds. I think it has been appeared here. Now let's check the values. There are two items. Okay, product currency and value. Alright. So in the next video, I'll show you how to track purchase events. So please subscribe my channel so that you cannot miss any of my video. Thank you.